Welcome to this explainer. Let's just jump right in, shall we? Today we're exploring how Chengget AI Labs is completely revolutionizing libraries, universities, and research institutions through intelligent digital knowledge management. Because if you're part of a government ministry, an archive, a museum, or really any kind of knowledge-driven organization, the tools you use to store and share your information are going through a massive evolution right now.
I want to kick things off with this incredibly powerful foundational statement. Knowledge is humanity's greatest investment. Think about that for a second. It's not just about hoarding files on a server. It's about making sure every single piece of human discovery, whether that's a complex dissertation or a fragile historical archive, is actively preserved, discovered, and most importantly, shared for generations to come.
So, here's our roadmap for this explainer. We're going to cover 1. Humanity's greatest investment. 2. Preserving knowledge with DSpace. 3. Unlocking intelligence with RoseRag. 4. Unified discovery through Viewfind. 5. The complete digital ecosystem. And 6. Building your library's future. Let's construct this ecosystem layer by layer.
All right, Section 1. Humanity's greatest investment.
You know, the biggest hurdle for any modern institution is taking those static, isolated archives and actually transforming them into intelligent, globally accessible systems. Because let's face it, if your historical data is impossible to find, it's not really serving its purpose, right? The ultimate goal here is to turn those static vaults into incredibly dynamic, modern resources.
Moving right along to Section 2, Preserving Knowledge with DSpace.
Okay, meet DSpace. It is the world's leading open-source institutional repository. But what does that actually mean for you? Well, think of it as the absolute bedrock of digital preservation. It enables institutions to securely lock down their digital assets while simultaneously boosting their global visibility. Because it's built on open standards, your collections aren't just sitting in an invisible silo. They are primed and ready to be showcased to the world.
And just look at the sheer variety of valuable digital assets this platform can handle securely. We're talking theses, dissertations, critical research publications, scholarly journals, conference proceedings, multimedia, and even historical archives. Whatever the format of your knowledge, this foundation is built to hold it securely.
Which brings us to Section 3. Unlocking intelligence with RoseRag.
Now, this is where things get really exciting. Let me introduce you to RoseRag. This is Chengget AI Labs' AI-powered retrieval augmented generation platform. I know that's quite a mouthful, but essentially, it's like giving an AI an open book test using only your library's trusted texts. It completely transforms a standard, quiet repository into a highly intelligent brain, fundamentally changing how users interact with your data.
Check out this comparison, because it really highlights the shift. We are all super used to traditional keyword search, right? You're basically just guessing the exact words some author might have used 10 years ago. Well, RoseRag completely changes the game with contextual AI search. Users can literally just ask questions in natural language, and instead of getting a messy list of links, they get highly accurate, citation-based answers drawn directly from your institution's specific collections. It actually understands the context of what you're asking.
Aside from those amazing contextual, evidence-based answers, RoseRag also breaks down language barriers with built-in multilingual support. But honestly, the absolute game changer here is the local AI deployment option. For government ministries or research labs handling highly sensitive data, your information remains strictly protected on your own infrastructure, while you still get all the mind-blowing benefits of advanced AI.
Let's jump into Section 4, Unified Discovery through Viewfind.
So, you've got all this securely stored knowledge and this brilliant AI, but how do people actually navigate it all? That's where Viewfind comes in. Viewfind is a modern discovery platform. Think of it as the ultimate master map of your digital library. Instead of forcing users to check 5 different clunky databases, Viewfind creates one single incredibly intuitive search experience. It makes the actual process of research so much faster.
By pulling all these totally different resources into one place, books, institutional repositories, digital archives, journals, you name it, Viewfind lets users seamlessly search across everything from one unified interface. It completely strips away the friction of jumping around between different library systems.
Now for Section 5, the complete digital ecosystem. The thing you really need to understand about Chengget AI Labs is that they aren't just handing you a software key and wishing you luck. They deliver the whole shebang.
They build a seamlessly connected academic environment by handling the entire DSpace implementation, deploying the Roserag AI assistants, setting up Viewfind, and integrating everything with the tools you already use, like Koha for cataloging and Moodle for learning platforms. They even tackle the heavy lifting of data migration.
And they back all of that up with the critical support needed for long-term operational success. It's way more than just the code. They handle custom branding, staff training, capacity building, and ongoing technical support. Whether you decide to go with cloud or on-premises deployment, they manage the security hardening, performance optimization, and repository upgrades required to keep your ecosystem thriving.
And finally, Section 6, Building Your Library's Future. Just picture this entire ecosystem actually running in the real world. You've got librarians seamlessly digitizing fragile, rare collections. Researchers are publishing groundbreaking discoveries and getting immense global visibility. Students are effortlessly pulling up vast knowledge bases right on their smartphones. Lecturers are querying AI to explore entirely new research frontiers, while institutional leaders can sit back and monitor the real-time growth and impact of their digital collections. It is a fully modernized workflow.
And it all follows a really logical step-by-step path to success. Number 1, you securely preserve the knowledge. Number 2, you dramatically simplify the discovery process so people can actually find it. Number 3, you enable AI-powered access. And ultimately, step 4, you support massive innovation across education, government, and research.
So that leaves us with a pretty big question for institutional leaders today. Are you ready? Is your institution ready to finally move past basic, static storage and truly unlock the intelligence hidden inside its archives? Because the technology is literally sitting right here to make your data actively work for your users.
Which leads right into this call to action. Build the future of your digital library with Chengdai Labs. Empower your institution with intelligent repositories, unified discovery, and AI-driven knowledge.
To take that next step in modernizing your digital collections, just keep these core goals in mind. Preserve knowledge, discover more, unlock intelligence. Definitely check out Chengatelier Labs online at chengatellierlabs.co.zw to learn more. And I'll leave you with this final thought for today. If knowledge truly is humanity's greatest investment, what is the cost of leaving it locked away in the past when the exact tools needed to unlock its future are sitting right in front of us? Thanks for listening to this explainer, and keep learning.